Have you ever wanted to delete a Snapchat conversation but didn't know how? Well, in this video I will show you how to do just that. So make sure to watch this video until the very end, to learn how to delete your Snapchat conversations completely so that no one can see them again. To get started, first open up the Snapchat app. And then tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on this gear icon at the top right corner of the screen to go to Settings. Once you are on the Settings screen, scroll down until you find a section called Account Actions. Once you find it, tap on Clear Conversation, and it will show you all of the conversations that you had on Snapchat. So in order to delete any of these conversations, simply tap on the X on the right side of the screen, and then tap on Clear. And that will delete/clear that conversation. So you do have to do this manually for every Snapchat conversation because there is no option to delete all of your conversations with a single click. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.